Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add soundboard sounds to your Discord server, so let's get started. First, open Discord and select the server where you want to add the sound. Click on a server name at the top, then go into Server Settings. From the menu on the left side, choose Soundboard. Next, click on Upload Sound. Select Browse, and a File Explorer window will open on your device. Locate the audio file you want to use, select it, and click Open. After uploading, you'll be able to adjust the clip. Click and drag the side markers to choose the exact start and end points of the sound. Use the play button to preview it and make sure it sounds the way you want. Then enter a name for your sound so it's easy to recognize. You can also assign a related emoji to the sound. If your server has custom emojis, you can use those as well. Adjust the volume slider if the sound is too loud or too quiet. Once everything looks good, click Upload to add it to your server's soundboard. If you ever want to edit the sound later, hover over it and click the pencil icon to make changes. If you want to remove it, simply click the delete icon. To use your soundboard, join a voice channel in the server. Click the Open Soundboard button and select the sound you want to play. It will instantly play in the voice channel for everyone to hear. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.